Hello traders. Today is 28th of March 2023. We just bank amazing profit on dollar Swiss franc. Let me explain to you guys how I analyze the market and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. If you look at the 4-hour chart, pretty straightforward. Price respected, develop a third touch. We have bullish engulfing candle, and all the sign was for bullish. So we're expecting this breakout at the New York session, which price nicely did. And the first target was the previous high, which price nicely hit. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entry and help my traders to squeeze beautiful pips. If you look at here, this was the analysis at the New York session. Price developed this consolidation, develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, high probability of breakout long based on this 4-hour analysis. As soon as the price broken based on this analysis, if you look at the live market, price nicely broken even after the breakout, price nicely retest, give us the confirmation. Beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the first target, explain my trader it's time to enjoy some profit, or at least move your stop loss at the break even, as you can see here on my update analysis. So guys, if you want to enjoy all this analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.